What's going on, everybody? Mckenzie. Just wanted to touch base on what we're doing today. Doing a lot of the gravel driveways in the springtime. The gravel takes a beating with the wet months in the winter. So we come in, get all the overgrown sediment and vegetation off of it. We'll prep it, compact it. We can haul in the gravel ourselves, spread it, roll it in, and then we're out of here. Only half day. So give me a call. I should be able to do a rough estimate just based on the dimensions of the driveway. You can send me some pictures. We can make the process nice, quick, and easy. So give me a call or hit me up on the website and we'll get you on the schedule for the driveway cleanup. Thanks a lot.